Delete the VOD. We can't listen to AC/DC because the shit gets me too fucking hornery, okay? Shut up. That's something that really mellows me out. Woo! But, I believe the last time I made a dwarf. So one time was on Fresh Start by myself, and they didn't have the new races yet, and then the other time was when they introduced new races, and another Fresh Start. No, it wasn't, I'm fucking confused. But I ended up playing a dwarf. It was dwarf and then Dragonkin. Yeah. Both of which, when I last played, were fucking obnoxiously overpowered. I think they've done a lot of, I don't want to say homogenizing. I hate saying that word, by the way. The only time I'm going to say homogenous is in regards to retail WoW. Okay? Other than that, I never want to fucking use that word. But, I think they ended up changing a lot of passives and actives as far as all the racial stuff goes. I don't remember what they did, but I remember they did some significant change. Like, they may have made some of the actives passives because they were fucking retarded to be actives. Like, if it was dwarves, someone had some active ability that had a 10-minute cooldown, and it lasted like 2 minutes or some shit, where you became proficient, or you could like work quicker. You could do machinery tasks, like such and such. That's 50% fast, 20% faster. You could do machining tasks 20% faster for like 2 minutes, and that was an active ability that had a 10-minute cooldown or some shit like that. Like, why the fuck? Hello? That's fucking stupid. Or just anything where construction or crafting went faster, but you had to use a cooldown for it. I think they made that to where it's just a passive boost. Yeah, I was telling Kirsch earlier, when you stole that big boat and we went around the harbor. Oh, and we went, sorry, I can't read, okay? Yeah, I remember that. That was good times. That was good times. Very good times. I can't remember if that was the same one, because I remember on that one particular, we went around the Cape of Cinder. It was a Cinderstone Moor? Cinderstone something, right? We went around the Cape of that, and that's when they were hot on my tail, and you guys harpooned the fuck out of them. I can't remember if that was the same boat, and I just went all the way around. We ended up dumping their contents in the little tents on the beach to the south of Souls Reef Peninsula. I can't remember if that was the same one or a different one, but I love stealing boats. I tell you what. So that was the same. I remember they were Brazilian, were they not? Not that does make a difference. Okay, I'll steal from the rich, the poor, the Brazilian, the French, the Swahilian. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a good goddamn who I steal from. Okay, Scipio, I assure you, feels the same way. I didn't say shit. And but yeah, those dumb fucks were literally taking their packs and walking the plank and going for